Welcome to Beautonic Life. If you are missing mashed potatoes on ketogenic diet, I have a great news for you. Today I am going to show you how to make the creamiest velvety keto mashed cauliflower. This is going to be super rich, buttery, and will taste delicious. And I will also add some secret ingredients that will make this dish taste even better. Let's get started. All my ingredients are already prepped. I have cooked cauliflower, softened unsalted butter, warm organic heavy cream, pepper, my Celtic salt, and the secret ingredients is celery root. I promise you, with this veggie our dish will taste even better. Okay, so I am putting my veggies to the food processor. And now I will pause for a second. While our machine is on, I will be drizzling warm cream. Now I am adding butter in batches. This will give us perfect texture and flavor. Look how creamy this is. The last thing I will add is pepper. And my Celtic salt. Now it's time for serving. The full recipe will be posted below the video. I love serving my mashed potatoes with melted butter, and fresh herbs. Today I will use parsley. Alright, our mashed potatoes are ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.